What's up guys, today we are going to deal about the most awaited OnePlus 6 camera review. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe us, and don't never ever forget to click on the bell icon for all our latest updates. The main camera is of 16 megapixels with f1.7 and the main secondary camera is of 20 megapixels with f1.7. And coming to the front camera, it is of 16 megapixels with f2.0. I've already shooted some trial shoots upon some different lighting conditions. Let's go and have a look on that. This photograph is shot under daylight conditions and the details are very clearly captured. Let's zoom and have a look whether the details are captured clearly or not. Yeah, the details are very absolute and intensive. This is one of the close shot under daylight conditions. This photo is captured at evening light, where the details are very neatly captured and they are very clear to observe. This cloudy photograph is a long shot image. The colors as well as details are very good and appreciative. I'm already using this picture as my wallpaper now. This has a very good feel. This is a selfie captured by the front-facing camera under the daylight conditions. The detailing is absolute. This is a portrait image shot on OnePlus. The image is very clear, but you can see some blurry edges over there which makes us to feel disappointed in terms of portrait. This picture is captured under the low light conditions and the lighting adjustment is very good. This is one of the image which is captured while the setting of sun. This seems like a DSLR click. This picture is captured under the night light. And this picture is captured under the dark lighting conditions. The lighting adjustments are very good. This is one of the random videos shooted with the front camera. This shoot is under the daylight conditions where 1080p at 30 frames per second. The video stabilization is wonderful. This is during the sunset, 1080p at 30 frames per second. The output is high profilic and very good. This also shot at the daylight conditions, 4K at 30 frames per second. You can observe the oversaturation of colors, but the quality never lags. The quality is very good. Here comes the slow motion. This is also shot under the daylight conditions where 1080p at 240 frames per second. The video is very smooth and enthusiastic. There is another format where 720p at 480 frames per second where you can capture very smooth videos compared to this. In this camera there is a new mode called Pro mode which is used to capture the photos as well as videos manually. Now we are going to see how to enable that in the camera settings. By opening the Photos app, by default we are on the photo mode. You can see an arrow over there. By dragging the arrow we can move to the inner settings over there. We can find many more options called time-lapse, slow motion and Pro mode as well. By clicking on Pro mode we will move to the Pro mode. The Pro mode is enabled now. At the right side you can see the ISO, WB, aperture, focus as well as many more settings over there. Whatever the mode we may select over there, we can find the highest and the lowest numerical values regarding that settings over there. We can select manually and shoot the way we want. If you want to shoot in a default mode, you can even opt to auto. The photograph enthusiasts will like this mode a lot, and this is a definite advantage for this OnePlus 6. Finally, OnePlus gave us a mobile with a very wonderful and extreme camera. Though we have few problems such as blurry edges in the portrait mode and over color saturations and nothing else more, but hope OnePlus will resolve these problems in the earlier software update soon. This is one of the best under budget mobiles available in the market with a very wonderful camera. I can give 3.5 out of 5 for this camera. Thanks for watching.